Tired of complicated money transfers? Let's explore how Worldremit simplifies sending cash directly to mobile wallets, bridging the gap for loved ones worldwide. First, open the Worldremit app or visit their website. You'll need to create an account or log in. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, making the whole process a breeze. Begin by clicking Send Money. Now, pick the country you wish to send money to. Worldremit supports a wide range of countries, giving you global reach. Choose the option Mobile Money. This is key for mobile transfers. Next, you'll enter the amount you want to send and select the recipient's mobile money service. Worldremit works with many popular mobile wallet providers, like M-Pesa, MTN Mobile Money, and others. Important, provide the recipient's mobile wallet account number accurately. Double-check this. Then, select your payment method. Worldremit accepts various options, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and, depending on your location, other options. Choose the one most convenient for you. Confirm your transaction. Once the transaction is processed, your recipient usually receives the money instantly in their mobile wallet. They can then use the funds for anything that their provider allows, from paying bills to purchasing goods. The whole process is designed for speed and convenience. And that's it. Worldremit's Mobile feature offers a secure, efficient, and stress-free method for sending money to those you care about, making it easier to support your loved ones across borders. #mobile transfers #Worldremit Mobile.